How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be this vintage Johan 1960 Desoto Adventurer Hardtop, steel sealed. It's going to be an unboxing, guys. But before we get this video going, I want to thank all of my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. Hey, if you're not a subscriber, it's free. Don't cost you a thing. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. I'm one of them channels will never ask you for nothing but just like, share, and subscribe. And anybody that I mention in any of my videos ever, I usually try to leave them in the description below, so always go check them out and support our community. Alright, guys, before we get this thing going, I want to say I got a email yesterday from Mike's from Scale Speed Works. I told him yesterday I didn't have no shop cards, and I told him I need to get off my lazy butt and get them done. I've had a lot of people send me shop cards, and I haven't had none made up since I run out the last time and everything, so I finally got off my butts. Mike, I'll get you one out in the mail, and here they are. I got them made up again. There's my shop card. There's the back of it. And a bunch of you guys that have already sent me shop cards, guys, I'll get them out to you. It'll be a few weeks, but I'll get them all out to everybody. So appreciate you guys. Appreciate you for putting up with me. And I finally got off my lazy butt. Thank you, Mike. I finally got off my lazy butt and got them done. All right. I don't have no updates this week as far as the models. I haven't had time to get any building done, so really there's no updates there. So I figured just to get a video out there for you guys, why not open this vintage kit. Matthew model car videos, please don't have a heart attack, brother. Love you. But this vintage sealed kit is fixing to meet its demise, brother. You can see cellophane still on it, Matt. Please don't have a heart attack. I want to note, I am not responsible for any collectors dying from watching this video, okay? Matt, love you, brother. But here we go. As y'all can see, this is what it is. It's a USA Oldies 1960s Desoto Adventurer Hardtop. Johan, show you the side of the box. Boy, look at that beautiful box art, guys. Models are meant to be built. Open these things up. Build these vintage kits. Keep your box and keep your instructions. And everything's all good. Display them with it if you can. Alright. I got every one of these cars. Matter of fact, I built this one here a while back. Y'all have seen that. Alright, let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Let's just do it like this. Oh, hope I don't cut the box. Oh my God. It's like ripping them panties off her fur. Oh, I better shut up. Better shut up. Matt, please don't die on me, brother. Anybody can guess what the color of this thing's going to be? It's been a while since I had a guessing game. I'm going to have to do a guessing game. Look how crisp. Hear that plastic, guys? Oh, I had a price on here, but it was removed from somebody, not from me. I don't know who did it, but it did have a price. It'd have been nice to see what that price originally was. Oh, here we go, guys. Oh, here we go. What color is it? Molded in red. It looks like a dark red, don't it? That is. It's kind of a dark, deep red. Let's put this to the side here. Let's open up these destructions. Destructions are a little yellowed, even from being sealed in a box for that long. Oh my God, look, you can see the yellow line from to the lighter to the darker from where this was folded up. Is that not wild? All right, y'all are seeing this for the first time. This was like 19, probably 70s, early 80s air in that box right there, guys. There's the instructions to build the engine, the torsion bars, the wheels and tires. So these kits are very simple, but man, they're awesome. You got your steering wheel, your gear shift, your tachometer, your seat belts. Go to the back, your hood, your grill, your firewall, your look like a water bottle, radiator support, radiator, your glass, or as the British would say, glazing. Your interior, you got your tail lights. Man, is that not awesome? That is amazing right there, guys. All right, let's throw these over to the side. Start pulling some of these parts out of here. We'll start out with the chrome parts. Look how bright that chrome is. Boy, that chrome looks pretty daggum good. Been shook around in a box for however many years it's been now since that thing's been sealed. Hasn't seen the light of day. It was getting scared. It needed out of its little box, guys. It needed to breathe. Look there. You got your wheel rods, you got your breathers, you got your water bottle and your seat belts. Let's throw that over to the side. You got your engine, automatic transmission, it looks like. There is your dash. It's a pretty good detail to pick out on that dash. There's your fans and pulleys. There's your intake and heads, or valve, yeah, heads. There's your radiator, your torsion bars, distributor. There's your manifolds, intake. Well, that red's kind of a deep, that's a beautiful red. I love that color. It's real deep. All right, here's your wheel backs. Let's turn this over. There's your battery. There is your firewall with your master brake booster and cylinder there. There are your valve covers. There's the hood. The underneath of the hood. Back of the wheel backs. Let's throw that over to the side. Let's see what else we got in here. Looks like we got a radiator support. I bumped this camera. Sorry about that, guys. We got our steering wheel. There's a little bit of flash on stuff, but hey, who cares about a little flash? It ain't nothing but a little scraping, guys. A little scraping, a little sanding, no big deal. There are your tail lights. Let's see, what else is in this box? You got 4 of your Johan tires. You can see right there. Let's throw them over to the side. Let's get this out of the way. Here is your chassis. Everything's molded in. Very simple detail. That's where your screws would have went if it had been the original issue. Of course, I have an original issue from the 60s over here, and it was curbside. There was no engine in it. This in here, they retooled it and put an engine in it. Let's see. Here is your interior tub. Man, like I said, guys, not a whole lot to these kits, but man, they build up nice and they look good on the shelf. It's got little scuffs in it, but you gotta think, you know, kicking around in that box, being shoved around. Here is the body. Looks like it's got little scuff marks on it there. Looks like some scratches. You can see the mold lines that'll have to be sanded out of it. Oh yeah, 1960 Desoto. Man, these bodies are off the hook, guys. You're talking about the detail in these bodies. Look at that. Adventurer. Got the scripts going down that body. Oh, man. That is beautiful. Let me set that aside. I got in this box over here. One of these boxes I got a box over to the side here, guys. It's got a Desoto Hardtop kit. Let's see. This is going to be your difference. This one here, curbside. You can see where it's got where the screws went. Right there. The tail lights. See how they were chromed where you actually got the red tail lights in the model kit here. The difference between the original 60s issue kit to, I would think, would be the 70s retool. And then the chassis plate. Let me see if I can get this old chassis plate out. Sorry about that, guys. I'm bumping this camera. Oop, stop. This is the original chassis plate, if you can read that. Trademark. Car design authorized for the Chrysler Corporation. Johan Models Incorporated. Detroit, Michigan. You can see the major difference between these now. Look at that. There's a lot of difference between the original and to the retooled. Of course, the torsion bars are in the box. They're not on there right now. But alright, guys, I thought y'all would enjoy that. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. And guys, I hope that I didn't hurt anybody in this video by unboxing this kit that's been sealed for God knows how many years. But you know, models are meant to be built. Get out there, build you a vintage kit. And alright, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.